Welcome back to Global Bike Buzz, the place where every ride begins with passion. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Honda Rebel 500, a machine that continues to capture hearts with its laid-back styling and urban-friendly performance. Whether you're a first-time rider or someone looking for a mid-weight cruiser with street presence and soul, the Rebel 500 might just be your next companion on the road. Looking at it from the front, the Rebel 500 keeps things simple and clean, but undeniably stylish. The round LED headlight offers that perfect blend of retro inspiration and modern function. It's flanked by compact LED indicators, seamlessly integrated into the design. The front forks are thick and sturdy, and they complement the bike's aggressive, low-slung stance. With wide handlebars, the control feel is confident and relaxed, perfect for navigating both city traffic and weekend escapes. From the side, the bike really shines with that signature Rebel silhouette. The 2025 model doesn't stray too far from its predecessor, so it still features that compact teardrop tank, a low frame, and minimalist fenders, but subtle updates to the paint and finish give it a slightly sharper, more premium look. The blacked-out engine components, exhaust, and wheels reinforce its dark custom style. It's a bike that looks great stock, but also invites customization for those who want to make it truly theirs. Around the back, the Rebel 500 is just as tidy. The slim LED taillight blends nicely with the frame, and the turn signals are small but bright. The rear fender hugs the fat 16-inch tire, giving the bike a muscular, grounded feel from behind. It's a cruiser with attitude, but without the bulk of larger machines. Powering the 2025 Rebel 500 is a 471cc liquid-cooled parallel twin-engine tried and true, borrowed from the CBR 500R. This engine is known for its smooth power band, great throttle response, and rock-solid reliability. It produces around 47 horsepower and 32 pound-feet of torque, offering plenty of pep for urban commutes and more than enough grunt for highway cruising. The bike is quick off the line, but never intimidating, making it a favorite among newer riders and seasoned pros alike. It's paired with a 6-speed transmission and a slipper assist clutch that reduces hand fatigue and makes downshifting smooth and drama-free. The throttle is responsive, predictable, and tuned for easy rideability. Whether you're riding solo across the city or taking a weekend detour down scenic backroads, the Rebel 500 feels light, balanced, and completely in control. On the road, it's clear that Honda prioritized comfort and confidence. The seat is low and just over 27 inches high, which means most riders can flat-foot it at stops. That alone builds confidence, especially for beginners. Suspension-wise, the front gets a 41mm telescopic fork, while the rear has dual shocks that soak up most road imperfections reasonably well. It's not a plush ride like a tourer, but it's more comfortable than you'd expect for a minimalist cruiser. Stopping power comes from single-disc brakes front and rear, backed up with ABS as standard. While the braking setup isn't high performance, it's more than adequate for the bike's weight and power, delivering consistent stops with good feel at the lever. And then there's the price. The 2025 Rebel 500 starts at around $6,799 in the US, with slight variations depending on color options or regional fees. That makes it one of the best value cruisers in its class. Factor in Honda's rock-solid reliability and low maintenance costs, and you've got a motorcycle that not only looks good but makes practical sense too. To sum it up, the 2025 Honda Rebel 500 remains a standout in the mid-size cruiser market. It's approachable yet stylish, simple but not boring, and delivers performance that suits a wide range of riders. Whether you're customizing it or riding it straight from the showroom, this bike delivers freedom on two wheels, pure and simple. Thanks for watching today's deep dive. If you enjoyed this review, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more bike insights, reviews, and test rides right here on